So the major steps in IVF process includes step 1 being giving injections to the lady. So what do these injections do? They help us produce good number of eggs in the lady. So once these eggs reach maturity, they are removed from the body, which is called egg pickup. And on the day of egg pickup, the man or the husband, he gives his sample. Then these sperms are processed and the best of these sperms are utilized in fertilizing the eggs that have picked up on the same day. Now once the eggs and sperms are fertilized, embryos form within the next 3 to 5 days. By day 3, we have early stage embryos, and by day 5, we have an advanced blastocyst ready. And this advanced blastocyst is later transferred into the uterus of the wife, and the lady is put for medication for the next 15 days so that the uterus takes up the embryo, and 15 days later, we do 1 beta HCG, which is a blood test to see if the lady has conceived or not. So the whole process is hardly like a month in total. So this is the IVF process in a nutshell.